Hi, and welcome to Love Advice TV. As always, we're so thankful to have you here tuning in each and every day as we upload videos geared toward helping you fight whatever it is that you're going through at home while trying to reconnect with your ex. Here, we're so lucky to have our founder, Alex Cormont, on site today for our video sessions. Alex, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much, Nats, and thanks to everyone to be here in this channel.
We've been really excited to ask him a lot of questions that we're getting in our YouTube comments. Believe it or not, even though we're busy, we have the opportunity to read each and every single one. And so this video is going to stem from a comment that I read just yesterday. The question was, how to rebuild confidence in a breakup? What tips should we be giving them?
Yeah, that's an important question because, as you know, confidence is the key when we want to get back with someone that we really love. From my experience, I just understand something really important. A breakup, it's not against you, because most of the time we think that, oh, my ex is not loving me, my ex is not into me. But in reality, a breakup, it's against the relationship, right? So it's not just you. So you could be confident about that. I think the most important key is to understand why this breakup occurs. What are the reasons exactly? Maybe it could be the routine. Maybe you were emotionally dependent. Maybe, I don't know, you didn't show love like you should do. But whatever the reason was, you should understand. And that's the first step to rebuild your self-confidence, to know you're not the trouble, you're not the problem, and you can act on this problem. So first, you need to understand the reason why we broke up. And I feel that you need to work on yourself. We spoke a lot about doing sports, doing meditation, change your appearance, do some things that you really love. This is the first step to rebuild your life, because as you know, when we do a no contact, that's why we need you to come back with your strength and also with all of your confidence. So I will say first you need to understand why, and then you need to act on yourself. You will rebuild, you will love your life, and it's easy to go to the next step, to get back with someone that you love. But after a breakup, it's normal to lose confidence. I think it's like a process, but it's also possible to work on ourselves and to just change our misconfidence to something that you have the power within yourself. And this is something really important that I want to share with them.
You know, I couldn't agree more with Alex in saying that. And I think that what's really, really cool about being in a breakup, and I know that right now it seems so hard to find a bright side, but what's really cool about being in a breakup is that you have the opportunity to redefine who you are. You have the opportunity to learn about yourself again, because up until now, you've been spending so much time nourishing a relationship. So I encourage you not only to pick up hobbies you used to love, but pick up a couple of new ones. Maybe there's new interests that you've cultivated over the course of your relationship that now you can work on. And so when your ex, after no contact, if you try to reestablish contact, your ex says, hey, how are you? You can actually say, I'm brand new, I feel great. I'm actually doing this, I'm trying this. Who knew I love this? And you actually have more to provide and more to offer to your ex and to yourself first and foremost.
And to do that, you should go step by step, and you can do it. It's not a long process. It's just a process when you need to retrust yourself. And by doing new activities and by learning about yourself, you will grow and you will be, oh, these breakups help me to understand what is love and how can I build a really healthy relationship. This is really important too.
Absolutely, and all of the things, and just like Alex had mentioned that you have to outline what wasn't working, now is an opportunity for you to make it work. And so I'm a firm believer, and I'm not sure if Alex agrees, but I'm a firm believer that the way in which we treat our partners is often a reflection of how we treat a lot of other people. People who are selfish in relationships are often selfish with friends, parents, coworkers. And the beauty of identifying these problems is that you can fix all of these relationships at once. Don't worry about just rebuilding with your ex. Rebuild with that lost friend. Rebuild with your boss. Rebuild with your mom, your dad, a distant relative. And if you can nourish all of those relationships, you actually get to experiment with your growth. And by the time you see your ex, you're ready.
And your confidence will just go up. This is something really important. And I'm so sad because most of the time the people that are experiencing losing self-confidence, that's because they love too much the other one. I want you to understand that you can love someone else so much, but if you don't love yourself at the same level, you will have some trouble. So it's time for you to love yourself. So the confidence, the love, and everything that you give to someone else, you need to give it to you first. Are you agree with that?
I could not agree more, and I think that now you have the opportunity to do just that. Your ex is no longer a distraction. Now it's all about you. You come first, make it count, and you will rebuild your confidence.
And for sure, and we will work together. Like, this is my promise. We can work together once you know that you have the confidence, and also you know what are your values and how you can make that person happy. We will work together. So please, let us know what are your thoughts, what did you do for building your self-confidence in the comments right below, and we will be here to answer to every comments.
Let us know what's working. Let us know what's not working. Let's help build each other up. And what's really cool about the YouTube channel we've created here is that we're also seeing viewers coach one another. Get to know the community, express your story, help someone else who's maybe struggling today. And that is another way to immediately rebuild your confidence. We look forward to connecting with you in the comment section below, in one-on-one coaching sessions. If you're interested in connecting with us personally, www.withmyexagain.com. And we look really forward to seeing you there.
And please give us a like, subscribe to this amazing YouTube channel. Every day you have a new video directly in your mailbox. So please subscribe, it's really important.
We hope you end up hitting subscribe. We hope you follow us on this journey. We hope to improve your journey, and we can't wait for your feedback.
Bye-bye, guys.